Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. This is reverse single crochet. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie yarn, make a slip knot. Take hook and yarn with these fingers in right hand and left hand. Take hook, take yarn over, make one chain, make one chain. Continue to chaining 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip this stitch, go to this chain, yarn over, make a loop, yarn over, pull through. Turn it, go to this hole, like this. I show, go to this first hole, insert your hook into this hole, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through, make one single crochet, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch like this. Take these chains and hook, make one single crochet, take these yarns same as before stitches, 2 yarn, unhook, make one single crochet in last stitch. For make a reverse single crochet, I have a piece of normal single crochet stitch pattern. I show from here. Make a chain, don't turn the work. Continue to stitch from here, this side, from this side. Insert your hook and go back into previous stitch. Go back into previous stitch, insert your hook into previous stitch, yarn over, pull up yarn, make a loop. Now we have 1, 2 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, insert your hook into previous stitch, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through together, go to previous stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, go to previous stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, 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 pull up yarn, pull through. Go to last stitch, pull up yarn, pull through,